To answer the question, I think writing is one of the most inventions in human history. In ancient times, people believed writing was a gift from the gods. For example, the Egyptians thought the good thought was the creator and writing, and in Chinese mythology, it was used to talk to the gods. Today, we don't see it as magic, but we still value it highly. Writing system developed independently in places like Mesopotamia, China, and Mesoamerica. Wherever it was, the Sumerians using reeds to mark clay tablets or the Chinese carving symbols onto bones, writing allowing civilizations to grow. Initially, writing was not for story, it was for business. As people began settling in farming communities, they need to keep records of their property, such as land and livestock. The Sumerians used clay tokens to count their possessions. Later, the Maya used writing to record the deeds of their rulers and information about their calendars. For a long time, writing was a specialized skill. Only scholars, priests, or officials were literary. Today, however, literacy is basic skill that everyone needs to function in the modern world. History leads to an important question. It is better to have a teacher who specializes in a subject or one who is highly skilled at teaching. In my opinion, being skilled at teaching is more important. A teacher can be a great scholar with a lot of knowledge, but if they cannot explain it simply, the students will not learn. In the past, knowledge was only for a few specialized people, but today, a teacher job is to make sure every student can function and understand the material. A skilled teacher knows how to be creative in the classroom. They can adopt new ways of explaining things so that the students don't feel like they're looking at a difficult ancient structure that they can understand. Finally, we need to consider what skills children need in today's rapidly changing world. Technology is evolving much faster than it was in ancient Mesopotamia or during the Han Dynasty in China. To ensure that children can function effectively in this dynamic society, we must teach them not only how to read and write but also acquire a range of essential skills. Firstly, it is crucial that they develop digital literacy, like the Sumerians who adapt to using symbols instead of tokens. Modern children need to learn how to navigate and utilize new digital tools effectively. Secondly, they must acquire the ability to think critically. With an abundance of information available at their fingertips, children need to become like scholars who can discern between what is true and what is merely false. Lastly, is the important that they embrace flexibility. Our world is constantly evolving, and if children learn how to adapt and learn, they will be well equipped to handle any new technology that awaits them in the future. In conclusion, as we continue to advance technology in ways far beyond anything our ancestors could have imagined, we must be mindful of the distinct skills that children require in today's world. By offering them the tools to succeed and grow in a rapidly changing landscape, we can ensure that the future generation is equipped to thrive in whatever challenge they face.